everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a self-care vlog, just kind of doing some self-care things, having a fun, relaxing day. I can't believe summer is almost over, although I love fall, so I'm not really like sad about it. I actually slept in a little bit this morning. I woke up and I kind of had a bit of a dull headache. I felt like I was about to get like a bad migraine. I was originally gonna wake up at like 7 a.m. today, so I'm a little bit behind on the things that I need to get done. I think just letting yourself sleep in a little bit if you can is a great form of self-care. Today we're just gonna have like a fun, relaxing day. I'm gonna get my nails done. It's been 4 weeks. They really need done. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you do. Comment below your favorite thing that you did this summer or something that you want to do before summer ends. Let's just get into the video. Now I'm just gonna make some breakfast. I think I'm gonna do a peanut butter banana toast. I'm also gonna make my favorite latte at the moment. It's a toffee nut latte. I talked about this in my mid-year reset, so I thought it'd be fun to do like a little tutorial, show you guys how to make it. It's so good. Went to Seattle this summer and at the Starbucks Reserve they had a toffee nut Bianco latte. It was literally the best latte I've ever had. I got the ingredients to make it at home. It's so good. If you guys like the sugar cookie latte from Starbucks, then you would really like this. Let's make the latte. I have a Breville Touch espresso machine. This is literally the best purchase I have ever made. It saved me so much money. It's easily paid for itself by now. It's just so nice to be able to make a good latte at home. I'll link this below if you guys want to check it out. I like this Touch one because I think it's a little bit easier to use than the other Breville machines. If you have a hard time making drinks at home, all you need is a scale. Measure out 18 grams of beans, and then when you get your espresso shot, make sure it's 30, 35, somewhere around there, so it's like double the amount of beans. Even like 40 is usually okay, and if it's more or less, you adjust the grind size. The first step, we're just gonna make our shot of espresso. I have beans from a local coffee shop in Arkansas. Just went and visited my sister and got some. I've been trying a lot of different beans lately. I don't know that I found my perfect bean. Just ice and whole milk, and then we got our espresso shot. For the flavoring, I have this toffee nut syrup. I actually just got this on Amazon. It's the Monin brand, and then some white chocolate mocha sauce. You can get this at like any grocery store. I'm just gonna do a tablespoon of each one. Sometimes I'll do a little bit less than a tablespoon so it's not as sweet. About a tablespoon of each one. I just pour that directly into the espresso shot and then pour the espresso shot over the milk. Everyone kind of likes to do it a different way, but that's just how I like to do it. Here it is. Let's do a little taste test. So good. You guys have to try this. It's seriously so delicious. I kept thinking this drink reminded me of something else. Thought it was the sugar cookie. It does kind of remind me a little bit of the sugar cookie. It also reminds me of the salted popcorn, caramel popcorn, salted caramel popcorn. I can't remember what it was, that I got at a local coffee shop. If you guys watched one of my fall vlogs from last year, this actually reminds me a lot of that. I think maybe it's like the toffee nut or something. You guys have to try this. A little bit later, I just got ready for the day. Before adding the final touches to my outfit, I thought I would show you guys how I elevate a basic outfit. If there's one thing I love, it's a white t-shirt. It's just so easy. Like when I don't know what to wear or I don't want to think about what to wear, a white t-shirt and jeans always looks good. This t-shirt is from Organic Basics. It's kind of like a little bit oversized. The first thing to do to elevate a basic outfit is jewelry. I love this watch from Heaven Mayhem. And then I'm just gonna add some bigger, kind of more statement earrings. These earrings are from Amazon. I'll link them below. I don't know what is going on with my hair, but it has been looking so atrocious lately. Like what is happening? Like it does not look good. I literally washed my hair, did like a whole blowout. What is this? It's been like 80% humidity every single day. I hate to be that person, but I'll be happy when summer's over. A cute belt is also really good for just elevating a simple outfit. This one's from Aritzia. I have an oversized shirt like this. I like to just kind of tuck it. I think it makes it look a little bit cuter. I feel like a good lip combo can also add a little something extra to an outfit. Maybe something a little bit darker than what you normally go for. I'm gonna use this Say lip liner in the shade Twist. I really need to sharpen it. Benetton, this is the original. I just love the color that gives my lips. It pairs really nicely with the Say lip liner. And then I'm just gonna do this Refy gloss. This is the glossiest lip gloss. Perfume is just a nice final touch. I love Glossier U. I also love my Dossier fragrances. I was trying to decide between the two of these. I'm gonna go with the Glossier U. This is just a clean, fresh, everyday smell. I literally get compliments almost every time I wear this. If I'm wearing a basic outfit like this, I feel like some cuter kind of shoes can really elevate it. Ballet flats, loafers. I've been loving ballet flats lately. I think I'm gonna do these. Lastly is a bag. I've been loving the Coach Brooklyn bag. You guys watch my videos often. You've probably seen me carry this like for the last year, every single outfit video, every single vlog. I love this purse. It's cute and it also fits everything. That is my outfit. Now I'm just gonna head to my nail and lash appointment. It's been 4 weeks. These nails have actually lasted pretty well. It's a little early to be doing fall nails, so I think I'm just gonna do a clean classic French tip. I'm also getting my lashes filled. I think they look so good. I haven't done French in a while. It's so simple and classy. Probably my favorite French tips I've gotten. They're like a little bit more curved, and I did like more of a pink base. I also got my lashes filled. Now I'm gonna go home and I'm actually gonna do a little baking. I'm gonna make some chocolate chip banana bread. It just sounds so good. Later, the banana bread has been cooking. I actually just filmed a try on haul. It's kind of like a collective haul, just things that I picked up this whole summer. Now I need to hang all this up. I need to hang up all those clothes, and I'm also gonna just do a quick 10-minute clean of my apartment. Here is the banana bread. I just kind of sprinkled a few chocolate chips on the top. Let's cut a piece and do a little taste test. That's really good. I thought I would like mess it up somehow and it wouldn't be good, but it's actually really, really good. I wish I could like share some with you guys. Clothes from my haul hung up and put away. Got a little editing done. Now I'm just gonna relax for the evening. I think I'm just gonna change into something a little bit cozier, a little bit comfier, and then I'm gonna make some Din Tai Fung cucumbers and like some stir fry cucumber salad that was really viral last summer. I might do a face mask, watch a movie. So I'm just gonna change into something comfy and get started on dinner. Just made my dinner. Looks so good. Just did like a little frozen pack of vegetables. Stir fried that with some chicken, put it over rice, made the little Din Tai Fung cucumber salad. Also just did a little egg roll. Super easy, yummy, quick dinner. Just made dinner, cleaned up the kitchen. I feel like it's so much easier to relax, feel like you're in a cozy environment when it's clean. I think I'm just gonna relax by watching a movie. First, I'm just gonna take my makeup off, do a little skincare. I'm gonna do a collagen mask. I love the ones from Pacific. They're so good. So I think I'm gonna do one of those. I don't know how people make these masks look aesthetic. You leave this on for 1 hour. It's super hydrating. It makes my skin so glowy. I think this was my last one and I definitely will be repurchasing. Got a sweet treat. I ordered some cookies from Tiff's Treats. Their cookies are so good and they deliver them hot and fresh right to your door. Just eating my cookies, watching the Barbie movie, doing a face mask. It's like ultimate self-care. It's been a little over an hour. I think the face mask is ready. As you can see, the face mask is looking clear. It's kind of like absorbed into my skin. I'm gonna take it off. My skin feels so hydrated. That is actually everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below something you like to do to get out of a slump or just like a fun self-care activity. Thank you so much for watching. Comment this emoji if you stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you in a couple days for our next one. Bye.